Bus number 2. Yo, yo! Bus number 2.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay Philippines!
Mabuhay Philippines! I see it.
Oh, yun oh.
Okay, take a picture
Mabuhay
with your,
Philippines.
Our bus number, bus 2.
The bus number 2. Yan oh. Oh, yun oh. Nakasakay na kami sa shuttle oh. Nako, nagtutuusan na yung ano, mag-ina oh. Milyonaryo na, nagpapalit. Milyonaryo na ngayon. Naramdaman mo rin maging milyonaryo.
Because you know we going to celebrate Lunar New Year's.
Oh.
Yeah, so you know the street here is very beautiful. Full of flowers. Yeah, so let's go there, roaming around, take some more picture. I will give you more time here, okay? 30 minutes. I think 40 minutes is okay. Now it's 3:15. Vietnam time, not Philippine time, okay? Vietnam time is 3:15. So,
Oh, ito yung unang papasyalan natin dito sa Vietnam. Yan oh. Oop. Thank you. Yan ang mga kasama natin.
Okay, okay.
Yun,
Can you hear me? Good. Signal good. Everyone.
Yan ang unang papasyalan natin. Itong park. Ano tawag?
Apex Park.
Apex Park.
Oops.
Bus.
Ayun, paano na?
Ayun na, nauuna na.
Oh, ayun oh. Lakad na. Ay, sa lubog sa araw. Oh, yun oh. Magpi-picture muna daw kami rin sa Apex Park. Oh, yan. Yan ako. Ganda oh. Apex Park. Malamig pero okay lang yung lamig. Dapat ayun. Apex Park. So, go picture. Ayan, group picture.
Come on.
Group picture. Up. Okay, mga kasama natin yan, oh. Oh, group picture. Oh.
Please go together. Now I will use my phone. I will take picture and video for you by my phone. Later I will add you on Facebook. I will create a group chat. Please come back to the bus. Our bus waiting there.
Doon, pipicture. Oh, pipicture daw kami ron, no? Doon. Picture. Ayun oh, magpipicture lang kami rito. Oh, ayan oh. Yan. Oh. Uy. Picture. Dito. Dito sa ano, sa Vietnam.
Tanggalin. Bawakan mo na lang sa kanya. Ano ba ito?
Ayan oh. Uy.
Hindi yan nag-GoPro yung ay kasi gusto na.
Oh, yeah. Oh, ganda. Oh.
Ikot.
Ganda naman oh.
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 Ayun o.
Ayun oh. Ayos. Oh. Kaway uli. Oh. Ayun oh. Oh. Kaya lang umaambon. Abutan kami ng ulan, baka umulan eh. Oh, yan, ano muna kami. Backwait kami, babalik kami. Malalayo kami doon sa sasakyan. Kung umulan man, malapit na tayo sa sasakyan. Ayun oh. Oh, yun oh. Oh.
The red is
Oh, he's a millionaire.
Who want become millionaire? Come here.
Oh, ayan o. Libot lang tayo rito sa park nila. Dito sa Vietnam.
Maamoy yung ano, yung durian.
Maamoy yung durian. Ganda yung gawin na yun. Maganda yung gawin na yun. Ayun, oh.
Ay, yan sa ilalim.
Hindi lang ano.
H-U-N-G. Hung. Okay? Yes, Hung. Vietnamese is very difficult. Yes. So I don't want you to call my name Hung Hung Hung. No. My name Hung translate into English hero. Hero. You know Vietnamese is the people fighting, right? Yeah, we have to fight with so many enemy during our history. Chinese, you know, more than 1,000 years with the Chinese. Is there anyone on the bus is Chinese or we memorize our president Ho Chi Minh, our father? Everybody here in Vietnam call him father, the one who sacrificed his life for our country, without wife, without children. He sacrificed all of his life for this country, everyone. So during this trip, maybe if I have some more time, I will tell you some more thing about him, about Vietnam history, Vietnam War, okay? Because beside of sightseeing, beside of hotel or enjoying our food, you need to know something about my country. One guest on the bus, I will divide into 4 tables. 4 tables. 8, and 7. 8, 24, 7, 31, yes. So how many group here? Wow, we have so many group. We have group of 1, group of 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, and 5. So many groups. So let's go there. I will arrange the table for you. For 2 hours. Okay. Love you. What's that? To location. Rỡ má, đấy là hương càm á.
Oh, wrong restaurant pa. Ayun, dito pala tayo nakabook na restaurant. Ayan o. Uy. Kain na tayo, hapunan. Yes. Tuloy po, tuloy po. Tuloy po kayo. Yan o, dyan o. Uy. Three. Dito tayo.
3.
Yung mga kasama natin. Oh. Ayan o. Oh. Napakarami oh. Napakarami namin pagkain oh. Ayan oh. Pipito lang kami, napakarami namin pagkain. Mukhang talagang bubusugin tayo rito ah. Ayan oh. Dami. Kala nyo, hindi namin kaya yan, ha? Ano na kaya? Ha? Ayun, no? Tapos na kami maghapunan. Ayan, oh. Uy, sarap. Busog ah. Busog. Busog.
Hindi natin kinaya. Marami pa.
Ha? Eh? Kung may premyo, tayo nanalo. Ayan o. Busog. Thank you, thank you. Ayan o, dyan kami kumain. Masarap. Ayun o, ayun, masarap. Oh, ayun o, masarap ang pagkain. Good. Ayun o.
Kids do, right? So we try to reduce as much as we can the price for the package, so that everybody can afford to join with us. Especially in Philippines, you have more than 100 million of people, and not many of you have the chance to visit us, right? So I guess that in the future, more and more Filipino will come to Da Nang. Okay? Yes, we're running now one flight charter from June last year until now, but starting from March, we open another charter. It means that there are 2 flights every week. Yes, and then the next July we will open another flight. It means that this year we have 3 flights. So it will go. It's very busy flight going from Philippines to Da Nang, Philippines to Da Nang every day. So I hope that in the future, more and more Filipino will come to Da Nang, and then I spend my life to serve Filipino, everyone. Sing, come on. Yes. About 6:37, we check in the hotel, and then it's time for you to rest. Okay, everyone? Yes. Oh, look at the wave. You know, it's one of the most beautiful beach in the world. This one.
Yes.
But, you know, now it's winter season, right? Raining season, so it's not look really beautiful, right? If you visit our city during summer, so you know it's very beautiful, and then there are a lot of tourists, a lot of people. Way we live in peace, and then we will pass in peace. Am I right, everyone? Yes. So go there first. I will take you to visit. We say Xin Chao to Lady Buddha. We have Lady Buddha, right? The tallest Lady Buddha in Southeast Asia, 67-meter height. Second, I will bring you to visit Happy Buddha. You know Happy Buddha? Laughing Buddha. The one with big belly, big ears.
Wow.
A tower of Buddha relics. Yeah, every pagoda in Vietnam we have one tower where we can Buddha relics. Shower. Yes, please, go, mommy. Come here, go picture.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay. And go, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. You can jump. Just close, one more, 1, 2, 3. Now you go, you follow me, huh? I will take you inside. Yes, I need to show you some places, and then after that you have free time. And 6:30, everybody back to the bus. Our bus will be here. Okay? Yes, let's go. Follow me.
Oh, laki ng ano. Ayan o. Oh.
Ikaw napapagod?
Mi. Kamay.
Hi.
Wow.
And then after that you go to the bus. When you go to the bus, then you can spend some more time with sleeping Buddha in front of the tower. Okay? Okay, now let's follow me here.
Ilang meters,
Dilim ha. Pero ayan o. Medyo umaambot ng bumpa. Uy. Wow, kung araw to maganda ah. Ganda ang view. Maganda. Tara na, tara na. Maganda oh. Kaway kaway. Mi.
Yes, because my friends and mine, they teach me a lot of Tagalog when we drinking beer. It's been 10 years, then I forget. Now only maganda, mabuhay.
Yan ang experience namin dito sa Vietnam. Oh. Ganda ng experience namin dito. Oh. Wow. Lalo kung araw to, no. Ito, malaking Buddha. Oh. Ayun, taas. Ha?
7 meters.
Oh.
The donation from people. Okay, everyone,
Taas.
I think I will try to take a picture for you.
Ah!
Hello, Bastu. Bastu.
No.
When you go there.
Tataas ko muna gano'n. Ayan, oh.
옛날에 불법 없었는데 요즘은 제가 몸값이 올라가고 있어가지고 미리 연락하면 제가 누린 좀 미리 제가 해드릴게요.
May nawawala kami. Nawawala kami. Hindi, babalik ko na sa taas. Tapos saka uli yan o. Yan o.
Taas. How many meters? 67 meters. 67 meters.
Maambo na.
Kanina maambun.
Yan o, hating gabi lang pero alas 6 lang ba? Kaganda ng bonsai nila kaya lang hindi nakikita sa video. Oh, ayan o, gaganda ng bonsai oh. Hindi lang nakikita sa video oh. Ayan o. Ayan o, gaganda oh. Uy. Gaganda. Hindi tayo pupunta sa ano. Hindi na yan. Ayan o, wiwis lang.
Nag-picture na naman tayo ng pinaka Oh, suot-suot. Pwede mo pumasok sa loob?
Dito ka.
Pupunta siya sa gawin doon. Eh, yung tali ilagay mo sa gawin likod. Oh, yan.
Okay, ma.
Naka-video na kayo eh.
Game. Sumayaw ka. Sumayaw ka.
Yay! Sayaw-sayaw. Oh.
Siguro talagang hapon inaano to, no? Yung paggabi, ano? Para ano?
Maraming ilaw.
Oo, maraming ilaw kasi. Oh. Yan, oh. Sleeping Buddha, Buddha. Ah, ere, Sleeping Buddha.
Picture, ano ka dito? Picture.
Ah,
Picture,
picture.
yan ka sa gitna.
From the foot to the top, we will spend about 20 minutes inside of cable car system. Okay, the longest cable car in the world. Okay, in the world.
Yeah.
And then we will visit Golden Hand Bridge, Flower Garden, one more pagoda on the top with the same name. This pagoda name Linh Ứng, everyone. Linh Ứng. Yes, Linh Ứng is mean that your wish come true. In Da Nang we have 3 Linh Ứng. This one more on Bana Hill on the top, and one more the day after tomorrow I will show you. It's on the way from Da Nang to Hoi An Old Town. It's the oldest one, more than 600 years old. Okay, so we have 3 Linh Ứng pagoda surrounded Da Nang, cover Da Nang, protect for Da Nang city and Da Nang people, right? So tomorrow we visit one more Linh Ứng pagoda. There are 2 mountains on Bana Hill. The first mountain we visit the Golden Hand Bridge, right? The Golden Hand Bridge, and then from there we go to the top by one more cable car, but it's very near, only 2 minutes. And then go to the top. We can visit French village, French village, and tomorrow lunch is including, right? Yes, we will have lunch on the top of the mountain, everyone, on French village. Okay, and then after lunch you have free time until the afternoon, about 3 p.m. So it means that tomorrow we spend more of our time on the top of the mountain. Okay, everyone. So remember, sleep early today, right? Recharge your battery, prepare for your energy for tomorrow. Bring enough of clothes, wear jacket. Tomorrow I will provide you raincoat. I think maybe some of you don't bring raincoat, right?
Yeah.
So tomorrow I will buy raincoat for everyone, the convenient raincoat, so that you can bring the raincoat with you. You can wear the raincoat when if it's raining here on the Bana Hill.
Ayan, oh. Andito na kami sa hotel, oh. Ayan. Kuha na tayo luggage.
Get one hotel.
Okay. Good night. Good night.